Do you want to provide professional and efficient technical support for your customers? When using SMC devices with industrial communication, one of the benefits you can tap into very quickly is the possibility of remote assistance. By implementing one of SMC's products with a built-in web server, our support teams or your remote technical service department can have access to historical data to more easily analyze the possible causes of failure or malfunction. Web servers offer a shorter return on investment for both end users and machines builders, and they can avoid expensive travel costs and provide an extremely reactive support service. Reading data via web server is extremely easy, requiring only a standard PC with a network card. Our electric actuator controllers and fieldbus systems offer a web server function. In terms of electric actuator controllers, the most important data to read via web servers are speed and torque values. There is also the potential to change controller parameter settings to speed up commissioning remotely. Users can also read common drives alarm, such as overload. Concerning fieldbus systems, the most important parameter data to set are the range of analog values and read the I/O status, along with an ability to force the operation of valves without the use of a PLC. This can be useful, for example, in the pre-commissioning phase. If the right IIoT platform is in place, our devices generate lots of data that offers a myriad of advantages for users, such as smart maintenance or energy saving. In short, any of your applications can benefit from our smart devices with the industrial protocol communication. Contact SMC and it will be a pleasure to show you all features using web server in your application.